Welcome to Starbucks Uptown Mall. I found out through the lady guard sa elevator na 24 hours na pala siya. That's a good news if you wanna tambay here in BGC. Akit lang kayo sa Uptown Mall from the main entrance. Yesterday, during my first break, I was rushing kasi 15 minutes lang. I accidentally pulled out my PRC license instead of the key card to my apartment. Both of them are white. Mamadali ako kasi I need to buy water. Nalockout ako sa kwarto ko. It has happened to me several times. Last night, I think they're strict already. My shift starts at around 10. The first break is 2 to 3 hours. From that, I had to wait hanggang magbukas sila. I kept knocking. Nag-doorbell din ako dun sa mismong building. Malakas yon. Nakabukas yung aircon ko. Super lamig yung ilalim ng door. Hanggang umaga po akong nagtiis. Binigyan nila ako ng off. Ng Thursday, just in case siguro malaspag ako kasi nalockout ako sa bahay. It's my fault then. You will see my pictures here. Ayun lang. Bye!